today issuing some key rulings in terms of evidence that may be used against a couple from Buffalo charged in a disturbing case of child abuse. It is alleged they tortured their 7-year-old son, including by waterboarding him as a form of discipline. Tune Your Side's Dave McKinley has the latest on where this case is now heading. Dave?
Well, Courtney, it's headed to trial in October, where the charges are serious enough, to land the couple in prison for 25 years if convicted on charges including assault and endangering the welfare of a child. Although, by the judge's ruling today, there is some evidence prosecutors will not be allowed to use against them. The couple who remain in custody lived in this home on Parkdale Avenue with several young children until in late December when paramedics were called. The boy's mother, 26-year-old Jacqueline Balabis, told authorities her son was taking a shower and called out for help before she found him unresponsive. Prosecutors alleged that he had instead been forced into a cold bath while being held underwater. Rushed to Children's Hospital. In court papers, it was revealed today that at one point doctors told the couple there was nothing more medically they could do and that they were going to pronounce the boy deceased. But they also told police they were certain the victim's injuries were caused by acts of abuse, possibly occurring over a long period of time, including bruises and burns from a cigarette. The boy spent 8 days here recovering. Today, Assistant District Attorney Stephen Papia turned over additional evidence which he described in court as audio captured from phone calls made during the alleged abuse of the child, describing what is happening and that Paris Woods, identified as his stepfather, can be heard laughing and to say, "I make a living waterboarding people." In her decision today, Supreme Court Justice Karen Vaco ruled that some of what the couple told investigators will be admissible, but not all of it, because they asked for lawyers and the police continued to question them. Additionally, she ruled that even though Jacqueline Balabis' cell phone was taken by police without a warrant, they had the requisite and independent basis necessary to believe it contained evidence of a crime, and thus they were authorized to make a warrantless seizure of it. On Your Side in the newsroom, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.